Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science class. I hope all of you are enjoying these science sessions where we are learning new things in a creative manner. Let's begin with our topic, living and non-living things. Before moving further in the chapter, let's revise some points that we have already learned. We have learned some characteristics of living things like they can grow, they can breathe, they can move, they need food, they feel and respond, and they can produce babies. Human beings and animals can feel through their sense organs. As you have studied in your previous class, there are 5 types of sense organs: eyes, nose, skin, tongue, and ears. With the help of these 5 sense organs, human beings and animal can feel things around them. Now let's talk about insects. How do insects feel and respond? Insects have antennae to sense things around them. With the help of antenna, they can feel. Now let's move forward in the chapter. We will now learn differences between animals and plants. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter, while plants stay in one place and make their own food. Like animals and human beings, we need to move from one place to another when we gather our food or when we need to buy our food. In that same manner, animals also move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. But in case of plants, they stay at one place only and they make their own food. Have you seen a plant moving here and there? No, I guess no one has seen the plant moving here and there because plants stay in one place and they make their own food. Let's study the next difference. Animals breathe through nose, gills, spiracles, or skins. As we have already learned in the previous session that human beings and some animals breathe through nose, fishes breathe through gills, insects breathe through spiracles, and some worms like earthworms breathe through skin. But in case of plants, plants breathe through tiny holes called stomata in their leaves. Plants do not have any kind of nose or gills or spiracles in them. Instead, they have small holes which are called as stomata. Let's discuss another difference. Animals have sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? Tell me first. Yes, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. But plants do not have any sense organ. Have you seen a plant with an ear? Or have you seen a plant with a tongue? No, na? That means plants do not have any sense organs. Animals reproduce by giving birth to babies or laying eggs. But plants reproduce through seeds, through stems, roots, and leaves. Have you seen your mother doing gardening or a gardener doing gardening? Even in our school, there is a gardener who always sow the seeds in the soil, and from that seed a new plant comes out. So plants can reproduce through seeds, through stems, through roots, and through leaves. As we have already learned about living things, so now let's discuss the differences between living and non-living things. Living things can grow, while non-living things cannot grow. Living things can breathe, like we humans can breathe, but non-living things cannot breathe. Have you seen a fan breathing? Does a fan have a nose to breathe? No, na? That means non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can move. We move from our house to our school. But have you seen a chair moving from a house to a school? No, that means non-living things cannot move. Living things need food and they can feel and respond. If a mother gives you a tight slap, then you will obviously cry because we are living things and we can feel and we can respond to the things. But non-living things do not need food and they cannot feel and respond also. Living things produce babies, like human beings produce babies. You have seen baby cats, you have seen baby dogs also. So living things can produce babies, but non-living things do not produce babies. Have you seen your pencil box giving babies? Tell me. No, na, you have not seen a pencil box giving babies. Have you seen your school bag giving babies? No, not at all. You have not seen that also. That means non-living things do not produce babies. So that's all for this session. I hope you have learnt various things about living and non-living things in the chapter. Thank you, students, for watching the video.